In Exchange Server 2013, we have some built-in rules that we can use for managing the Exchange organization, but they may not be granular enough within your organization. So one of the other things we can do here is create our own custom role groups. In order to do that, we use the Exchange Admin Center. We use our Permissions tab, and on our Permissions tab, we have the ability to then come in here and create new roles. So what I want to do here is I actually want to create a new management role. So I've come into Admin Roles. I'm going to select Plus, and what I'm going to do now is create a new role for marketing admins. So we'll call it marketing admins. We want to go for an organizational unit here, and the organizational unit we want here is our marketing organizational unit. So we're going to go for admin.com/marketing, and we want to add some roles to this. So we'll just click on the plus here, and what we want to do here is we want to just add mail recipients and mail recipient creation. So what we'll do here is we'll go for mail recipients and also mail recipient creation. Now that we've done that, what we need to do as well is we need to add some members. So we'll just select OK at this point here. And then if we scroll down a little bit further, we need to add some members. So we'll click on the plus here, and the member that we want to add in here is a user called Brad. So I'll just scroll this down a little bit and just find Brad. A bit more, and there he is there. So we'll add him in as well and select OK. Right, if we scroll down, not much more we can do, so we'll just select Save. And what this will now do is create our new marketing admins role. So what we'll do now is just verify that we have actually created this role. So all I'll do is I'll just go to my domain controller, we'll go into Active Directory users and computers and just make sure it has created the group. So what we can see here, we do have marketing admins. And if we double click here, have a look at the members, we can see Brad. So I'll just click OK here. So now let's just go into the Exchange Admin Center and just make sure that these permissions do actually work. So all I'm going to do here is just on my domain controller, I'm just going to go into Internet Explorer, and then I'm just going to connect through to the Exchange Admin Center as our user Brad. Right, so we'll just go on the website. Now what we'll do is we'll just log in as Brad. As we're logged into the Exchange Admin Center, so the first thing we'll do here is we'll just see if our user Brad can actually manage a user that is not in the marketing department. And one of the users we have here is we have a nil. So if we just go for a nil, what we can see here is if we just try to change some of the things here, we can't. It's all grayed out, and grayed out all the way down here. Right, so what we'll do is we'll just cancel this out here. What we'll now do is we'll go for a different user. So the user that we'll go for here is Alan Steiner. So if I have a look at Alan, who is a member of the marketing group, what we can see here is we can modify things for Alan. So let's just come down here. Let's just go to organization and just make him a manager. And we'll save that off as well. Then what we'll do is we'll just create a new user. And we'll just create this new user. We'll create one for Brian. Make him a new user. And if we just come down to browse here, if we just go for IT and just click OK, and then if we just type in Brian again, scroll this down a little bit further and just verify the password after creating it, and just select Save. What we get is a little error message just saying that it isn't within our current write scope, so we can't perform this save operation. So let's just click OK here and just cancel out of here. Let's just create another new user. And what we'll do in this case here, we'll create a new user for Megan. New user, and again Megan. And what we'll do here, just in the case of the organizational unit, we'll go for marketing. And what we'll do is scroll this down a little bit further. All we'll do here is create our new user and stick in the password and confirm the password. And then if we just select save at this point here, what we now get is we do get the user created because we have created that user in the marketing department. And that's the end of this demonstration of creating a custom role. Thanks very much.